If you guys have been following my channel for quite a while, you will know that I just did a review of the Lenovo 6000 Plus a week ago. And now while surfing the phone, actually I got a notification that's a huge update. Yeah, we get update, but this one is a huge size, just almost 1 GB. So Lenovo promised us to give us a Lollipop update, but we haven't got any still now. So let's see if this is something like the Lollipop update or just a mere optimization. Let's find out. So just today when I was surfing the phone, I got a notification. It said system update. Clicking on which it said new version found. Clicking further, we got the whole update. Don't panic if you haven't got that, even you can get it easily. Just getting onto the settings and the last option about the phone and then the system update. You will get the same thing. So just showing you once again, new version found, and it will say, so just click to download the whole update. But remember, this update says just it will increase the stability of the phone and some bug fixes, but I'm quite not sure about that. And let's click on it and run the download. So until the download is running, let's go back and go to device information, Android version, and it's running on Android version 4.4.4. that's KitKat, as you can see clearly. So well, yeah, Lenovo promised us to get a Lollipop update, but let's see if this one is a Lollipop or not. Let me go back and show you how the KitKat actually looks. And here's the notification panel, and clicking further we get all the toggle options, and also we get the setting menu to the corner. Pretty great, right? So let's wait for the some time and till the download gets completed, I should say, and I'll be back once the download is complete. So once the download gets completed, you will get an option of install. Click on it, sit back, relax, and finally you will be booted up with the typical boot animation and a different new home screen. And yeah, this quite makes us realize it is in Lollipop now. Coming to the icons, it's much rounder than what we had previously, with some new added bloatwares which were simply not there. Anyways, coming to the notification panel, we get the typical Lollipop style notification that's quite expected, and the toggle buttons, though I feel some of the toggle options are pretty much missing. Anyways, going to the setting down below to that about the device section, just to confirm it, about phone and device in oops, I did on the wrong menu. Device information, Android version, and it's running on 5.0.2, that's Android Lollipop. And man, it's that very Lollipop we have been waiting for long, with that typical game that everybody loves to play, right? I know you love it as well. Coming to where we have the Lenovo companion flashlight and some other bloatwares pretty much given out to this phone. I don't know why. Anyways, moving on to the notification panel once again, I will show you that we get a wrong architecture option. I tried to update the Google Play Store, but nothing solved anything. And to add to it, when I try to surf some of the other apps onto this phone, probably some other apps naming it as WhatsApp or kind of like that, I didn't find anything right. Even the WhatsApp said, please add your contacts or invite them. Am I new to this WhatsApp? But no. And now you would like to ask me, like, how did you get rid of all these problems? And it's pretty easy, as I say. Just format your whole device or master reset, and that's quite a painful job, right? Anyways, moving back to what new we have is the new style of task manager that we have seen here. And talking about task manager, we get to the new kind of dialer. It's quite new, pretty simple, and as expected and loved. Actually, I should say that's a personal opinion though. Anyways, the new message option is also there, and a new keyboard that's Lollipop style is also there. We have the non-priority and all notifications in the volume button, and we have priority settings as well. Pretty appreciated. So I need to test out this new version of Lollipop from KitKat and if it's any better. So probably there are few bugs as well still now, but that's quite expected. Then Lenovo will solve them through future updates. And if you like this video, hit on the like button, dislike if you didn't. And if you're using similar kind of devices, do let me know what are the changes from KitKat to Lollipop. I hope that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, have a great day. Bye bye now.